Hello.
Hello.
This is Alexander and I am Mia, and
We're making slime. And this is how it's gonna look like, okay?
it's gonna look like that.
Okay. So this is our bowl. We may use this one.
First you need an empty cup. So
Nope,
this.
not that.
Okay, just an empty cup. First you need an empty cup, and then you need to get the baking soda. The baking soda, or it could be borax.
Which is
better.
borax better.
Borax is better. But so what you want to do is you want to fill this as much as you want with borax, baking soda or borax, as much as you want. That's fine. Now you want to fill it with hot water. So, which one's the hot water? I guess one. Hey, look. Okay, there. Now that's filled with water. What you want to do is you can top it off with a plate or a bowl and then shake it, or you could just go normal, shake it, make sure it does not fall. If not, you would want to use napkins.
Or you could just use a spoon, right?
Or a spoon, yeah. Or you can also use a spoon right here.
And I'm gonna mix it.
Alright. There. And now you're gonna put that aside, and what you want is a bowl.
That's kind of
It
wet.
could be a little, just medium-sized bowl. And then you want glue, and it has to say non-washable. Or if it says washable and no run, then that means it's non-washable. So maybe not. I don't know. Open it. Yeah, you need to open it. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour it all. As much glue as you put, as much slime you get. So
We probably put a bunch of glue, right?
yeah, I put a lot.
Yeah, she put a lot.
I put 2 of them.
But we only have half a bottle right now since we used the other ones for
It's kind of can you do it? After you put the glue, you want to get maybe 2 cups of water. It could be 2, it could be 1. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now what you want to do is fill it with water. Go. Yeah. Fill it with water. As much water as you want. And then it would look like that.
Let's put more water just in case.
Alright, now you have the borax here, and that's great. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon. Yeah. Now you want to get it good. You want to spoon it good. And now, this baking soda or borax, you want to put it at just a tiny amount.
Try to get more.
And you could. It's fun to do it with your fingers, so just do it with your fingers if you want. Would you care to come and mix it? All right. So this is my brother, his friend also, Andres, and he's going to mix it with his fingers. Go. And then once it mixes, it's gonna start feeling weird and slimy. Does it feel like that? No, not yet. Not yet. All right. It takes time sometimes. Or it's just because you have to add a little more borax with water. Is it?
Yeah, starting
Yeah,
to
see?
feel.
Starting to feel that way. Now, you can get a spoon also. Now, once this is done, then it can start feeling like slime, and you can get it, and then just slime. You can put it in a Ziploc bag so it won't dry out. And if it dries out, you could just put a little more, just a little more of water. Also, does it feel like that?
The borax is making it better.
Yeah. See,
It's cold though.
I mean the baking soda. Please, you're putting too much. It's gonna be very sticky.
Now you could feel it.
Yes.
I think
Try
I
to
put too
hold
much
it up.
more. I think I put too much water.
You can keep adding borax with water, or if you wanna see. Okay, you gotta mix it. You can keep adding it until it feels the right amount of squishy. Oh my god.
Now it's starting to get squishier. Squishy. At the end, basically, it'll turn into this, basically.
At the end,
But most likely get borax.
yeah, borax is kind of better. It would end up looking like that. Squishy.
And you could also use food coloring to make it color.
You can also use food coloring to make color, so it doesn't have to be white. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.